I think the fact that you have an engineering experience, that you can have an engineering experience in a liberal arts education within that sort of environment, where you can package together the critical thinking, the problem-solving skills that you get across the many disciplines, the many experiences that you're going to have here, not just in the classroom, but the many things that you get involved with outside of the classroom. And so you can bring those kinds of skills, that kind of broad application of problem-solving skills, and you can bring that along with your engineering program and develop skills that not only apply just to the engineering field, but also to many aspects of life. And I think that that's really a unique thing that we can offer students at Bridgewater.